This video demonstrates how to pair your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling in a Kia Sportage III from 2010 to 2016. While this model is older, Bluetooth pairing is still possible, though it may have limitations compared to newer vehicles. We'll cover the basics, potential issues, and solutions. To prepare your Kia Sportage III for pairing, first ensure the ignition is on and the radio is active. This powers up the infotainment system. Next, press the phone button on the steering wheel or the infotainment screen. This enters pairing mode. The system should then display pairing or a PIN, usually 0000 or 1234. Finally, confirm the system is in pairing mode before proceeding to the next steps. On your smartphone, go to the Settings menu and enable Bluetooth by tapping the toggle switch. Then, search for available Bluetooth devices to find your Kia Sportage. Once Bluetooth is on, tap to scan for devices. Your car should appear as Kia Sportage or a similar name in the available devices list. Select it to begin pairing. If prompted for a PIN, look at your car's infotainment screen, where it will display the code, usually 0000 or 1234. Enter this on your phone to complete the connection. Once the PIN is entered correctly, your phone should connect to the car. The system should confirm with an on-screen message. A voice prompt may also announce the connection. Test the connection by making a call using voice commands like Call John or the steering wheel buttons. Audio should route through the car's speakers. The car's microphone handles your voice input during calls. If you encounter pairing problems with your Kia Sportage III, common issues include interference from nearby devices, a low phone battery, or software glitches, which affect about 55% of owners monthly. To troubleshoot, first try resetting the car's system by holding the phone button on the infotainment screen for 10 seconds. This often resolves glitches. Second, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable in settings, and keep the phone within 30 feet of the car to avoid connection drops. Third, for modern smartphones, you may need to disable dual audio or absolute volume in developer options to prevent pairing failures. The Kia Sportage III's Bluetooth system is older and may not be fully compatible with the newest smartphones like iPhone 15 or Android 13 and above. This is due to outdated Bluetooth profiles. Basic calling should work, but features like contact syncing may be limited. For example, the system's basic Bluetooth stack supports HFP for voice calls, but lacks advanced profiles like PBAP for full contact sync. Modern phones may experience connection drops or require disabling features like dual audio. In Bluetooth settings, you might see pairing attempts fail with newer devices due to encryption mismatches or software bloat. The architecture shows how the car's system connects via basic profiles, but not the enhanced ones in current smartphones. For enhanced connectivity in the Kia Sportage III, aftermarket solutions offer reliable alternatives to the native Bluetooth system. The CarLinkit AI box is a popular adapter that plugs directly into the USB port. It enables wireless CarPlay for iPhones or Android Auto for Android devices, providing seamless integration. Android Auto head units, available from brands like Pioneer, also connect via USB and deliver full smartphone mirroring on the infotainment screen. These solutions bypass the car's native Bluetooth, offering better compatibility with modern smartphones and additional features like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto interfaces. These adapters typically cost between $50 and $200 and are increasingly adopted for improved hands-free functionality in older vehicles like the Kia Sportage III. Safety and legal considerations are crucial when using Bluetooth in your Kia Sportage III. All U.S. states require hands-free calling while driving to reduce distractions. While the Sportage III's older system is grandfathered in if it works properly, any pairing failures that prevent hands-free use can lead to fines in many states. Always prioritize a reliable Bluetooth connection to ensure safe driving. If basic pairing proves consistently problematic, investing in an aftermarket adapter can provide better functionality and compliance.